Hello, if your Instagram feed is anything like me, you're seeing a lot of these DIY videos, AI generated, and I found a lot of them are getting really good, so I wanted to give it a try and see if I can replicate them. My first attempt at any of these when I want to replicate something is to see if I can do it with text to video, add or text to video node. I'll provide the prompt in the video comment and see what kind of result we get. I'm just going to put it to 480, so cut down on the cost. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with a mobile, see what kind of result we get with just the text to video. All right, let's have a look at see what we got. Okay, not terrible, but you probably noticed that there's a few inconsistencies. The draping the towel over the plastic bucket wasn't great. Also, the shape of the final product changed after drawing. The good thing about Seedance is that we can provide some guidance using sample images. I'm going to do this whole thing here. I'm not going to use any images, so I'll just generate everything as we go. I'm going to generate an image of the bucket first. So let's just create an image of a bucket. It's going to be pretty simple. I have a little prompt here. Nana Banana 2 is pretty good for that. I'm just going to keep all the default settings. Okay, so that's a pretty standard 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to do one other thing to this image. I am going to place what I want the final product to look like. So for that, I'm just going to do a quick drawing over this. Okay, I'm going to pass this to my image edit node, and I'm going to turn it into an actual cement-like looking flower plant pot. Okay, not bad. It's pretty good. I'll take it for an example. I am going to also create a final product of just this. So for that, I'm going to add another image edit node, a little prompt to first I noticed with these it's best to turn it around, so I'm going to turn it around that it looks like an actual thing, and then I'm going to remove the bucket from it. So I'm just going to add one more image edit node here, and then I'm going to remove the bucket. You can probably play around with the prompt or run a few more samples to get the exact same thing, but I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm just going to remove the bucket, so we have our final product. All right, so now that we removed the bucket, we have our final product that we want for the video. We're going to use a similar prompt, but this time I'm going to use a reference to video. And for references, I am going to provide this as a reference image. So I'm going to provide my final product as a reference image, put in a prompt. Now in this prompt, I actually reference the images. For the parts that I care about, when the towel is draped over, I'm going to reference image 1. And for the final products, I'm going to reference image 2. Let's see what we get. I'm just going to do maybe 2 variations. All right, let's see what sort of result we got. Not bad. The final product stays the same as our input image, similar with the bucket that we provided. Let's see the second one as well. We are running on the fast model. I'm sure we can get better results, and probably a little bit changing of the prompt. You can get even better results. Here's the final workflow, a few tips and tricks. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to see any other samples, we'll be doing more of these. I see more and more showing up, and we'll have a few more tutorials on this coming up.